Break ID number 5665. 2018 Panini One Football 2-box break. Go. We're going to put up a Panini One deal for tomorrow. It might even be an at-cost deal with multiple boxes. Travis D.O. with a free spot. Panini one card per box. First one is a redemption. Rookie patch auto bronze. It's a nice one. Sony Michel. Sony has been busy, apparently, not able to sign autos. Bronze, that's a parallel RPA. New England, Andrew GR. Box 2. To 99, Philip Lindsay. Denver, Andrew GR. All right. So I'll put up that deal for tomorrow in about 5 minutes.